What's up, guys? This is Big Will back again today with another video. Today I'm just going to be opening up a couple of packs of Donruss Baseball 2020, and I'm also going to be opening up a couple of packs, hanger packs that I got from Walmart of Topps 2019 Series 1. Also, I got one of those hanger packs from Walmart of the Gypsy Queen that come with 5 extra cards and 3 regular packs. So we're going to see what we got here in these 5 cards. For time constraints, I'm going to be bringing you 4 different videos starting today with the Gypsy Queen and with the Topps Series 1 and Donruss. Try to be able to give y'all as much as possible because I know I've been slipping. I've kind of been going back to work and kind of forgot, but it's all good. First card is a Chavez with the Red Sox. Michael Chavez. Sanchez for the White Sox. Yolmer Sanchez. Christian Yelich with the Brewers. Justin Smoke with the Brewers. And Oscar Mercado with the Indians. And in these top packs, we're looking for a Ronald Acuna Jr. highlight card. Hopefully we can get that. Maybe even a Ronald Acuna auto in the Donruss, but we'll have to wait and see on that. All right. Get this straight here. Set that right there. Try to go a little bit faster. Right. Now for the Topps Baseball, Jonathan Villar, Carlos Rodden, Francisco Lindor, Trevor Bauer, Steve Duggar, Tokus Toussaint. It's a rookie card. All right. Corey Kluber, Eugenio Suarez, Yolmer Sanchez, got the Angels Stadium, Yankee Stadium, and and Blue Jays Stadium there. Got Charlie Morton, Nolan Arenado, Andrew Cashner, Brad Boxberger, Ronald Acuna Jr. insert of April 25th through May 3rd. He went 13 for 34, batting average of .382, 5 doubles, 2 home runs, and 5 RBIs. Ronald Acuna Jr. there. Highlights card. Got a Nolan Arenado 35th anniversary Topps. Nice looking card. All right. Keep rolling here. Oh, sorry about that. Try to get that set back up correctly here. All right. All Smiles with Albert Pujols. Jed Yorko for St. Louis. Blake Snell, league leaders for Tampa Bay. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. for the Blue Jays, future stars. Danny Duffy. Jacob Junis, Brian Anderson, Jose Laric, Lewis Brinson, Michael Givens, Jake DeGrom, Stephen Piscotty, Paul Blackburn, Sir Anthony Dominguez. Got a Billy Hamilton. Cole Stewart. Kobe Allard. Jock Peterson. Michael Brantley. Michael Lorenzen. Got a Brad Keller. Ranger Suarez. Justin Upton. Eduardo Nunez, World Series with the Red Sox, 2018 World Series highlights. Got George Springer. Zach Greinke. Sorry, I'm having some problems with my cell phone here trying to keep it squared away. Tim Beckham, Wilson Contreras, Justin Turner, James Paxton, Buster Posey, nice little refractor, I guess, of some sort, not numbered or anything. Another Ronald Acuna Jr. Topps Greatness Returns of Derek Jeter and Aaron Judge. It's a really nice card. It'd be even better if there was an auto there. Still a nice card, especially with me being a Yankees fan. Alright, we're going to see what we got here. Try to fly through, because a lot of these are the same ones that we've already seen. And alright, we're going to get rolling on to the Donruss now. I'm trying to get my videos to be shorter. Not really having too much success with that, so we're gonna see what all this brings today, and hopefully we'll be in good shape. Hope you all are doing well. I know if any of you are like me, you are more than ready for baseball season to start. I've been ready for quite some time now. Can't wait anymore. I'm too ready, and ready to watch the Yankees win the division again. A lot of noise for Tampa Bay from what I've heard, but you know, I think that if Judge and them can get going early, I think the Yankees are got to be odds-on favorites for the division. Like I said, I've heard a lot of good things about the Rays. The Red Sox, I heard they're in shambles, especially with the gentleman that's kind of in hot water over the cheating or whatever. But just like nothing happened with the Astros, I suppose nothing's really going to happen any further, but it would be nice for some sort of action to be taken towards the Astros. And I'm not just saying that because I'm a Yankees fan. I'd say that of any team, because I don't really see the reason why you can't suspend guys for tipping off pitches, or you don't know how that is a lot of people don't know how that is an advantage. Well, it's kind of, if you know what's coming, it's a little bit easier to know whether or not to swing. So that's the way I look at it. And I just, again, I don't agree with them. Don't agree with the cockiness of it all or anything like that. So anyway, we're going to keep rolling here. All right. And out of Donruss 2020 baseball, and Matt Carpenter, Luis Severino, Nomar Maraza, a blue and orange of John Means. I'm going to have to look up and see what all these are. Refractors and everything. Got a Vlad Jr., Tony Gonsolin, Andres Galarraga from Montreal, and a Tony Gwynn. It's a really nice looking card. Keston Hiura. Luke Weaver. And another Keston Hiura, a blue. Diamond Kings of Ketel Marte. B squared. Bobby Bradley of the Cleveland Indians. Rookie card on the Donruss. That's really nice. Paul Molitor. Travis Dimitri. Starling Marte. Juan Soto. I like that guy. He's a really nice ball player. Yadier Molina. And I'm assuming this is the emoji card of Donnie Walton for Seattle. Nice looking card. Got a Josh Rojas. Alright, we're going to see what else we got here. We've got Mauricio Dubon, rated rookie. Adbert Alzolay, rookie card on the old Donruss print. Got Jack Flaherty. Got a George Brett. It's really nice. Numbered 142 out of 317 of career home runs. 317 career home runs for George Brett. It's a really sick card. I like that. Put that over to the side there. Javier Baez, Donruss Diamond Kings. Austin Meadows of Diamond Kings as well. Excuse me. Got a Roger Clemens from the Red Sox on the old background there. Alan Trammell for Detroit. Okay. And Diamond Kings Miguel Cabrera. Nice looking card as well. I really do like these. They're a lot of people I've seen call them plain or just basic, and I like the design on these cards, especially the Diamond Kings. They're really nice. Got a Nick Stencil. All right. Nick Salak, rookie card. Eddie Murray. Logan Allen. All right. Got us another rated rookie, Jesus Luzardo, pitcher from Oakland. Charlie Morton from Tampa Bay. Kirby Puckett. It's a nice looking throwback looking card. Javier Baez, El Mago. Nickname for Players Weekend. Jim Rice. Jonathan Daza, rookie card. And for the autograph, we've got Alec Bohm. Alec Bohm is from the Philadelphia Phillies, and this is number 18 of 99. Alec Bohm. Thank you guys very much for watching. We're going to bring back another video to you a little bit later on today. I'm trying to shorten up the times, but we still appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe.